What I'm going to do here is I'm going to walk through the steps to making a series of these signs, like these right here. So I've got the frame copied, I've got the text entered in 9 different signs. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab a piece of wood. I'm digging through my box here. I thought I had one set up that was perfect, but that'll work. And then I'm going to set this in here. I'm only doing this with one hand, so bear with me. I'll just set this down. I don't know if you noticed or not. Those are just little screw hooks and screwed into a block of wood, and I can adjust it up and down. Just like one of those, an inspection back. So I haven't seen that done, and the problem that solves is the bonfire from all the little pieces that gather underneath. Now it's too far away from the laser for it to cause a real problem. So anyhow, that's the first step. Mount a piece of wood and put that back. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select this will be the first one. That's just a frame on the outside. I'm going to hit the frame button here, and then when I do, it'll tell me where I'm at. Oh, that one looks just about perfect. So now I come back, turn that off, and this time grab everything. And as you can see, the cut order, the red one goes last. That's the one that drops it out. So I hit frame one more time. I don't know if it's necessary or not, but you never know. And then I come down here and I hit start. This is light burn, by the way. Start. And this is the job running. It sounds like popcorn on your head. Really doesn't take that long. Running at 150 inches a minute with 70% power. Not running bad. It's the laser tube going. That's a 100-watt tube, by the way. There it is. Goes through this stuff like that. This is 118 MDF. And I'm making a bunch of signs for the craft. That's the edge part, and now we can cut out. Just to show you what it's doing. The cutout part is, the purple is the text and the etch. The blue is the little cutouts, and then the red, oh, there's a frame around the text which is green. That's a different option, and then the cutouts. I'm running at 10 inches per minute and 70% power. And that looks like that on the milliamp gauge. So it's pushing it pretty hard. I don't like to go over 30. I have to weigh it up. I don't know if you can see it or not. this. It should be the frame around the outside of the text. That's at 40% and 150. The funny thing I noticed is the corner punches all over the through. If I remember, I can show you on the bottom. And now we begin to cut out. Some of that should drop. If it doesn't, it doesn't matter all the way through. The bad thing is that plywood voids it cut all the way through. That's the problem. There we go. Off complete. I'm gonna kill the noises. And that's trash. And this is the finished product. Huh, I had to pick that one for the YouTube video. All right. Anyhow, the next step, to bring it over here, put it with all the others that I've done. You notice this one here is quite a bit smaller because I sized it to fit the wood that I had. And then I'll be using this right here to real low speed. And I didn't know it would run that low. But that is the process that we're using here for Craft Show Central. I don't know where all my other stuff is. It's all hidden over here. Got a bunch of pumpkins, haunted houses. I got to show you the cats, and those are they out here? Nope. They went in here to get their eyeballs. And there they are. And we're going to be putting epoxy in there. Got them taped off. Now, doesn't that look creepy? Write your comments below.